Hi everyone, if you're encountering that you cannot play multiplayer games online because of how your account is set up, error in Throne and Liberty. This issue commonly affects Xbox players and is related to account settings, often involving privacy or parental controls. Here are some potential fixes you can try. 1. Check privacy and online settings. Ensure your account settings allow multiplayer gaming on Xbox. Go to Settings, Account, Privacy and Online Safety and adjust the settings to allow multiplayer gaming, then launch game, then check problem is fixed or not. 2. Check for restrictions. If your account is a child account, ensure the parental settings allow for online multiplayer and then launch the Uncheck Now. Third solution is 3. Microsoft account setup. Sometimes, the issue is related to how your Microsoft account is configured. Make sure your Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass subscription is active, as some multiplayer features require these subscriptions. The fourth solution is 4. Wait for updates. This problem is under investigation by Amazon Games, and there may not be an immediate fix yet. Keep an eye on official forums or announcements for a resolution and possible compensation. After all of these, launch the game and hope your problem will be fixed.